welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the Enaran Algae Puff Balls from the Star Trek Cookbook. The ingredients I'll be using are flour and milk, sugar, yeast, spirulina powder, a little bit of salt, melted butter, and these little mini mozzarella pearls. And then once they come out of the oven, I'll be topping them with a little bit more melted butter and some poppy seeds, or you could use sesame seeds if you wanted to. But those are all the ingredients. The first thing I want to do is bring in a bowl, and I'll start by adding 3/4 cup of warm milk into the bowl, along with 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and a pinch of salt. Once those are stirred together, I'll add in my melted butter and 2 tablespoons of the spirulina powder. With everything mixed together, I'm going to slowly start adding in my flour, probably about a 1/2 cup at a time. Once I get the first 1/2 cup in, I'll go ahead and add in just a little bit more and keep stirring to incorporate. Once you get to the point that you're having trouble with the spoon mixing in the flour, go ahead and move over to your hands and start kneading the remainder of the flour into the dough. After you get the flour mixed in, go ahead and move it over to a flat surface and then knead it for about 5 minutes. You're looking for a nice smooth dough that feels nice and elasticy, is not tacky or sticky to the touch, and then when you press in on it, it bounces back. So this is ready. I'm going to go ahead and pop it back in my bowl and cover it with some saran wrap and allow it to rest in a warm place for about an hour or until it doubles in size. After rising in the hour, the dough has doubled in size, and now it's time to start shaping our algae balls. I'll be using about a tablespoon of the dough at a time and just flattening it out, adding 2 of the little mozzarella pearls right into the center, and then I will pull my edges up around the mozzarella, making sure I pinch it well so that it seals. Don't want the mozzarella leaking out while it bakes. And then I just want to form those into a little ball, give them a nice little press and roll to help seal those seams. And then once you're happy with it, place it over on a parchment lined cookie sheet and continue on making the balls until you have them all the dough rolled out. Now that I have all the Enaran algae puffs rolled out, I'm going to go ahead and just cover them with a clean towel and allow them to rise again for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. After allowing them to do their second rise for about 30 minutes, I've gone ahead and preheated my oven to 375 degrees where they're going to bake for 20 minutes. As soon as the Enaran algae puffs came out of the oven, I went ahead and brushed them with the butter that I had reserved and sprinkled a little bit of the poppy seeds on top. All we have left to do is try them out. Now they are still quite warm, so hopefully the cheese is still nice and oozy on the inside. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a good cheese pull. These are really good. I definitely can taste the spirulina powder in it. Almost gives it like a spinachy taste, which I really like. Overall, I really do like these, and I will definitely be making them again. I think these would be a great accompaniment to a nice creamy soup. Just something that you can dip into and get a little bit of extra something. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank y'all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.